back to Root and Ramble. Today I like to talk about the battery which I had to change. As you remember, in the past I had a lithium battery in there which collapsed after less than 2 weeks. So I had to replace that. There's the new battery arrived, so what I want to do is I want to show you the difference before I even start to put the battery into it. This time I got a battery from Shido. If you can see here, it's a 48WH battery, and if you compare it, there's a flat surface here, and look, I mean, this battery is flat. That's how it should be. If I take this away and if I take the other one, you can see the difference here. This one has already bloated up, and after a short period of time, that's no good. So that's why I replaced this one here. Plus she wouldn't start the bike anymore. She's completely flat, so even if I press here, you can see she's down. She hardly has any juice left, and she was fully charged. She just is gone. Now I will put the battery in there. I show you a couple tricks and tips on it. Take it or take it not. There's always some discussions how you should charge how you should connect the battery. This is just my way how I connect that, so let's get over to the bike. I've already taken the seat off. Okay folks, so as I said, I already unlocked the seat. I'm not going to show you this one here because you know yourself how to unlock a seat. I also took the side panel off so I can get access quite easy. I had the new battery now, so I place this battery inside now. So it's very simple. I mean, there's no things about it. So the battery is down. So she is in and she is free. The next thing what I will do is, I'm not going to connect it yet. I will add in the support brackets here. I'll just get the right screws. Here we go. And put in the screws. Yeah, just be careful so it doesn't fall down when you fit it, because it's a pain in the backside to get it out. Just you want. So this by hand, and I'll do the same here. Here we go. There's only one way you can fit the bracket, so or maybe different ways, I don't know. Here we go. The 10mm. That's it. Doesn't have to be too tight because you can see otherwise it starts moving anyway. Done. Done. Next thing is the battery itself. I got now the screws here for the battery. The first thing what I will do is, and there's always discussions about it, I connect the positive first and then the negative. Some people say it matters, some people say it doesn't matter, but if you connect the negative first and you touch the with the positive, the key, then you could have sparks. And if you do the positive first, when you reconnect, and then the negative, you shouldn't have any sparks. And it's just my way of doing it. So I'll take the positive here, take this cap off, take the screw in the washer. So now the thing is just to get the screw in here. That's it. I'll get the nut in there as well. Just to make sure she grabs. Here we go, she has done that. Perfect. Now I tighten this one here. You know, if you connect the positive first, then there's no risk for touching a metal. I mean, you don't touch a metal here anyway because everything is plastic, so that's fine. It's good as well. I take the next one now. So here the screw, cable, washer. Now I get that nut in there again. That's the only thing. If you've got big fingers, that's a bit of pain in the arse. Oh, should I say? If you've got big fingers, it's a pain in the back. Now, there we go. Yeah, so, now, the washers, there we go. And, no. Tighten that. It should grab it. It did. Tighten it by hand. That's also done. It's a bit tight here, so make sure it's tight. It is tight. That fits all, so that's good. The battery is in. Let's start the bike. The battery is in. The next thing is to, she is secured. The next thing is to see if the bike starts with the new battery. She was sitting there now, some time now. But what could happen is there could be error messages on there. I also will display some error messages. I will put them here or here, probably here. Let's get it started. So far so good. Pump's going. As you can see, there was a couple of minutes, a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes to change it. In the other videos, you can see why I had to change this battery, because the other one just collapsed after a couple of weeks, which is no good. Hopefully this Shido battery, this is a SH10. So what is it? What does it say here? It's a STZ, as a YTZ10S from Shido. It's a 12 volt 48 WH, so hopefully she's better. We see over time. I couldn't tell you, I couldn't report anything about this battery so far, and let's hopefully she keeps up and I keep up with the bike. I have the next video after this one here. There's a couple more changes coming to it, some more modifications to it. There will be some more modification coming for the rear of the bike, and also some other modification for the front. I need to look for some a tank bag if I find one. So if you've got any tips, let me know please, because I'm looking for a proper tank bag which is waterproof, and I might have found one, so I have a look today if it's any good. And also a roll for all the luggage for the tent, sleeping bag, mat. which goes into it, so very light. And then we are ready, more or less, and I'm really looking forward to hit the dirt. So otherwise, till to the next video, stay safe, have fun, burn the rubber out there, get into the dirt and enjoy yourself. See you until next time. Bye bye.